Hey there, welcome to the channel. I'm Jack, Saltwater Jack's Fishing. Something happened yesterday that is not normal for South Carolina, especially Charleston, South Carolina. It snowed. And I'm going to do something that's probably crazy. I know my wife thinks I'm freaking nuts. But I'm going to walk down the dock. I sent the drone up and could see all the reds down the dock and thought, okay, let's do a video and see if I can't catch one red. That's the goal. So this doesn't happen very often, so let's see if I can catch a red after it snowed. I think something I forgot to mention that it's in the 20s right now. Feels like it's in the teens. Once I get on this dock, it's gonna be even windier. So this is absolutely nuts. But hey, you can't catch fish on the couch. And again, I don't know. I'd probably kick myself if I didn't at least get out here and try to make this video. Because I mean, how often does it fish here in Charleston? And sorry, my rod's getting caught. I'm not used to having a rod in this backpack, but anyway, so I'm gonna give it a shot, see if we can't make a video. If nothing else, all you guys in the comments can say what a nut job I am, and if I have success, you're like woohoo, right? So but again, we're gonna give it a shot, man. I'm looking at this out of the water right now, and it's looking like it's gonna suck really bad. I'm gonna turn you around so you can see that wind is whipping. Oh yeah. Gonna try to walk in the snow because I'm sure this dock is frozen. Like I said, when I had the drone up a little while ago, I could see the redfish. But okay, so right now, if you can tell, right here, dock is completely frozen. I'm gonna stay off of that side over there because that is nothing but ice. Gonna try to walk on the snow, keep me upright. Luckily, again, it's not gonna freeze, but man, I can tell you right now, I'm feeling on my face. Woo! It is chilly, people. But hey, like I said, don't catch fish from the couch. I just hope that they're still down here. Kind of took a while to make the decision to come out and give it a shot. They might already be moving up in the shallows. Hoping they're still down here. If not, I just walked down here for nothing. We're about to give it a shot and see. Man, it is chilly though. This dock's almost 1,000 feet. It's a pretty good walk. Probably should have had a face mask on today. I've got a thing for that, but again, we don't use that too often down here. Sun's coming out. I just hope that they're down here, because if not, I just walk down the dock for giggles. But again, I am being cautious, trying to step in the snow so I'm not slipping all over the place. So far, pretty good stability. Okay, so getting close. About to either have some redfish or not have some redfish. All right, be careful here. Oh. Earlier, man, there was probably 50 redfish down here, all grouped up. As it is during cold and winter months, it's tough to catch them because they get really skittish. So I'm just hoping that we'll still have some down here. I'm gonna go really slow now because down here, this is where they're gonna be. Go really slow. see. Cover. Don't see that. Oh shit. Okay, let's see. Oh man. Oh yeah, might have been a walk down for nothing. Seeing you right now. Might go up in the shallow, see if I can see him. Oh man. That sucks, man. They were all down here too. Wait. Man, that wind is tough. Okay. Okay guys, so they're not here, which is where they were when I had the drone up earlier. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go near the shoreline because the tide has come up, and as you can tell, the sun is out. So they're probably gonna get shallow so they can get warm because it is so cold. So I'm gonna keep walking up this dock and see if we can't spot something to throw to. Again, this might just be a walked out for nothing, but anyways, let's see what happens. Well, dang it. I was hoping to catch a fish, guys. I just wanted one, man. That's all I needed was one fish. But again, here in South Carolina, this time of year, even without snow, if you don't see a redfish, they're not there, meaning they're all schooled up. And they, again, as you could tell by the drone footage, they were here this morning. There were two groups of them, probably 40 and 50 fish per group. So again, I just didn't get down here when I should have. That's the way it goes though, but at least I gave it a shot. Sorry I didn't catch any fish, but I gave it a try, right? That's all you can do. But anyways, thanks for watching the video. Enjoy your snow here in South Carolina. Till next time.